We left for the Palm Springs Aerial Train around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, hoping to catch the sunset from the top. What I didn't do, though, was checking the weather. The moment we got there, I learned it's about 30 degrees colder up on the mountains. So yes, I was that person in shorts and completely unprepared. Freezing, but still smiling. Because the view was worth it. The light on the rocks, the open sky, the quiet air, everything just slowed down. And maybe that's what I needed. A moment to stop moving, to just feel where I am. Even though the sun disappeared behind the mountains before it sets, the calm that followed felt even more beautiful. It's funny how silence sometimes can hold more color than the light. Palm Springs has that kind of warmth. It's calm and cozy, but it's also open. Like the town itself is saying, "You're welcome here, just as you are." Everywhere we went, people were kind, drivers sharing their favorite places to eat, locals smiling, asking if we were enjoying the day. They are all small things, but they stay with you. On our way down, our train driver turned the cabin into a little party, with music playing, people laughing, a mix of strangers who somehow felt connected for that short ride through the dark.
Party train. All right, keep singing it.
Later that night, we wandered around through the village fest. Music, food, handmade arts, and that same easy kindness in the air. Somewhere between the mountain wind and the streetlights, I felt this place is more than beautiful. It's gentle, and that gentleness makes this world feel a little softer.